Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this cordless leaf blower from the manufacturer to do a review. It does not come with a battery, but it's made and designed to accommodate a DeWalt 18 to 20 volt lithium ion battery. So let's take it out of the box, look at its features, see how it works. Okay, let's take it out of the box. Comes with a chute. Instruction manual. Kind of a flat end that goes on the end of the discharge chute. And the blower. Okay, if you look at the user's manual, it says product specifications of the wireless hair dryer. This is not a hair dryer, this is a leaf blower. And if you look inside, you'll see that a couple of times throughout. So you'll see a mixture of hair dryer as well as leaf blower. So be aware of that. And then pertaining to the battery, again, it kind of indicates that a battery might be included, but it says that the battery pack is not fully charged at the manufacturer, but this does not come with a battery. It's supposed to be designed to accommodate the DeWalt 20 volt lithium ion battery. So you just might want to note that. Looks like it's very well built. It's got the rubber grip handles for ergonomic comfort, reduced vibration. You have the activation switch here. You have the lock button here that will automatically hold the switch to the on position, and then it'll release when you press the trigger. You have 6 different speeds, motor speeds of RPMs, 6 being the highest. You have a powerful brushless motor inside, and again, this is made to accommodate a DeWalt 20 volt lithium ion battery. So let's connect the discharge chute. Should line this up with the slot here. And then the flat piece on the end will line up again with these indicator marks here. So let's put the DeWalt battery in, see how it works. This is speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, speed 4, 5, 6. So speeds from 5 to 6 is a significant increase. It's not a gradual increase there, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. When you get to 5, it's really about the same speed as 6. It suddenly jumps up. Very powerful, it seems. So let's take it outside, give it a try. So I have to say this leaf blower is very powerful. It appears to be made of pretty good quality. The shoots are a little bit loose, may work their way loose, but very lightweight, comfortable to hold. The only thing I would recommend, the owner's manual is lacking details on how to operate. It focuses more on the battery charging and so forth when it doesn't even include a battery. Benefits is that it has 6 speeds, uh, good grip handle, and it will accommodate the DeWalt lithium ion battery. So overall, it's a pretty good leaf blower.